How to change your age on mobile Discord. So first of all, open up your Discord application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the emoji icon. Now go to settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on support. Now tap on the text bar and select help and support. Now enter your email address. Select general question. Now write subject to change your date of birth. Now tap on description and tap on submit. Now wait for some time. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.